Hello and welcome to today's Trigger 2-minute tutorial, which is an update with regards to open sound control. And specifically today I'm going to be talking to you about the server side of things. So this is if you want to control Trigger using another device with open sound control or OSC. So I've already installed an application on a tablet which I'm going to use to control Trigger, and I'll show you how to set up the configuration on the Trigger server side of things. So we'll open up the client server window and go to the UDP TCP server side, and today we're going to use text over UDP. So I'll enable the UDP server, and you notice the receive port and the send port that Trigger uses by default, and also the client text format. Client text format is only relevant if we're using Trigger as a client machine, which we're not doing today. I'll be talking about that in a later tutorial. But for now, we'll activate our server, and we'll also need on our third-party device, our tablet in this instance, to enter the IP address of this machine. And now I have an Ethernet connection and a wireless connection here, which is why I have two IP addresses indicated, and I will enter the bottom IP address here into my tablet because that is my wireless IP address. So once I've done that, I can click done to that, and now using the various commands that are available in the Open Sound Control dictionary that Trigger has available. These are listed in the help file and also online, and is constantly expanding. Today I'm just using a simple command to fire this one Q button here. So I use my third-party tablet or my separate tablet, and I enter that, send that command, and you'll see it fires the Q button. You'll notice on the status bar at the bottom of my cue sheet here, I have the actual command that was used to fire this Q button. Okay, next time I'll be talking to you about using Trigger to control third-party server devices. But for now, I hope you've enjoyed watching today's tutorial, and you'll join me next time.